Internal rate of return function returns the internal rate of return for an investment for a series of cash flows. This function has two arguments. In a values argument, the cash flow values from the investment are entered. Guess is an optional argument. The default value in Excel is 0.1. That is equal to 10%. Guess value helps Excel to calculate final value for the internal rate of return. This function works only when in the values of payments at least one value is positive and one value is negative. As in this range, one value is negative. This is initial investment value. Company returns 15 payments in the 15 years based on this initial investment value. So in values box, I will select this value with these values. Select these cell references range. Click OK. It returns 9%. This shows that the return for this investment is equally profitable if company pays 9% annual interest rate. So these calculation shows 9% internal rate of return worth on this investment.